Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll compare fleet management and Anglo-Eastern, two of the world's leading maritime service providers. Stay tuned to find out how they stack up against each other. Fleet management, founded in 1995, is based in Hong Kong and has grown into one of the largest ship management companies in the world. With a fleet spanning various types of vessels, they emphasize technology, safety, and sustainability. On the other hand, Anglo-Eastern, established in 1974, is headquartered in Hong Kong and has a global presence known for its extensive network and over 600 vessels under management. Anglo-Eastern is renowned for its commitment to quality and innovative practices. Fleet management offers comprehensive services from ship technical management to crewing and insurance. They leverage advanced technology like remote monitoring systems to optimize vessel performance. Anglo-Eastern, meanwhile, provides a full range of ship management services, including technical, operational, and crew management. They focus on enhancing efficiency with their proprietary software and training programs that ensure their crews is among the best in the industry. Fleet management is known for its strong focus on technological innovation. Their real time data analytics and environmental strategies are setting benchmarks for the industry, making them a leader in sustainability. Anglo Eastern excels in providing high quality, tailored services. Their robust training facilities and strategic partnerships contribute to a well prepared workforce, giving them an edge in crew management and operational excellence. So, which company is better? It really depends on what you're looking for. Fleet management shines in advanced technology and environmental initiatives, while Anglo Eastern stands out for its comprehensive service approach and top notch training. Both companies are pillars of the maritime industry, driving forward innovation and setting standards. What do you think? Which company would you trust with your fleet? Leave your thoughts in the comment below. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.